This video will help you to create an identity matrix, find the transpose of a matrix, and use matrix memory. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. Matrix functionality is only available on the FX991 CW calculator. This video assumes that you know how to define and multiply matrices already. If you need help with this, please see our introductory video on matrix basic arithmetic. In this video, I will use matrix A as shown on the right of the screen. I have already defined this matrix on the calculator. You may want to define it yourself before proceeding. From the Home menu, choose the Matrix app. Identity matrices are used in a number of ways. You can enter an identity matrix directly. Press the Catalog key, choose Matrix, and then Matrix Calculation. Scroll down one screen and choose Identity. Enter the dimension, for example 3, close the bracket, and press the OK or Execute key. The matrix is available as matrix answer. You can store it in matrix memory by pressing Tools, choosing Store, and choosing a matrix. I will use matrix B. Return to the calculation screen by pressing the back or the All Clear key. To find the transpose of matrix A, from Catalog, choose Matrix and Matrix Calculation. Scroll down one screen and choose Transposition. Now recall matrix A in the usual way from the Catalog menu. Close the bracket and press the Execute key. You can store this matrix as before. You can also use mat_ans for calculations. For example, to multiply the transpose by the original matrix A, start by returning to the calculation screen. First, recall mat_ans, which is the transpose of A, and then recall matrix A for the multiplication. Press the Execute key. These operations are useful for both basic and advanced matrix calculations. Why not check out our other matrix videos?